In this video, I'm going to put you through how to go ahead and make use of Weex exchange if you're actually a beginner. The interface is similar to every other exchange out there like Bybit, Binance, KuCoin, MEXC and the likes. So in today's video, I'll walk you through how to go ahead and start making use of Weex exchange. So as you can see right here, this is my phone. So it's important for you to go ahead and create an account. So in order for you to create an account, you can go ahead and click my link in the description below. It's a referral link, so I'm actually going to earn if you were to actually register with my referral link. So if you already have an account, don't worry about that. You just have to do is to make sure you have the mobile app installed, as you can see right here. So I'm going to start from the least one to the highest one. So I'm going to talk about verifying your account. So to verify your account, you need to click on this icon here, which is the menu icon, and it's going to take you to the section where you are going to click on this same section, right? You click on this same section, then it's going to bring out this, then you're going to see VIP perks and ID verification. So you have to do VIP, you have to do ID verification. You click on ID verification, you notice it's just some basic things like your phone number, your name. So if you click on VIP VIP perks, you're going to have to, you can upgrade from one VIP level to another level, which is similar to every other KYC basically on other exchange platforms. I don't think I've done my KYC for this platform yet, but that is just how you're going to do it right now. In order for you to do your KYC, in case if you are seeing this message, it means you need to go ahead and make use of VPN. Right now I don't have VPN enabled on my phone, so I'm just going to proceed with that, because you can actually still do a lot of stuff with the app even without KYC. So I don't really need KYC. So the next thing we want to talk about is how to go ahead and deposit on the Weex exchange. Now there are various methods you can actually use in depositing on the Weex exchange. We have two methods. We have deposit method, we have P2P method, and we also have where you can actually send crypto from another wallet into Weex. Now if you click on P2P section, let me show you something real quick. So as you can see, coming to Weex, so if you click on this section, you're going to be able to change the currency. So you can see this are just the currency that are only available on Weex. You can see, so if you're not in any of these countries listed here, then your best method to deposit into the Weex exchange would be to send crypto into the Weex exchange. So let me talk about the deposit section. If you click on the deposit, you can see it right here. It's going to ask you how do you want to deposit, maybe USDT, TRC. I'll just click on USDT, TRC, and it's going to generate a network for you to send in crypto and deposit into your account, and that's it. You'll be able to deposit. So let's go back, and now let's go ahead and talk about once your assets already in your once you've deposited. So once you deposited, you just have to come to this assets panel. Then on this assets panel, this is where you're going to see your assets. So you have three different wallets. You have the futures, you have the spot, and the funding. So if you make use of the P2P section, your coin is going to be stored in the funding section. All right. Then if you're trying to, let's say you're trying to buy, maybe you're trying to buy BTC, or you're trying to buy Solana, or whatever coin you're trying to buy, basically you have to move your coin from the funding wallet to the spot wallet. Now the spot wallet, this is where you can actually buy an old cryptocurrency. So if you're trying to buy an older crypto asset, you can do it with the spot. But if you're trying to trade cryptocurrency, like whereby when the market is going up, you make money off it, and if the market is coming down, you also make money off it, you have to make sure you move your fund from the funding section to the future section. This will give you benefit to do all of that. So let's go ahead and let me show you how to move it. So you click on if you click on the funding, then on the funding you see transfer, then you click on transfer, then it's going to bring out all this. So you just click on the currency USDT, then you put in the amount here. Then you select all if you want to transfer all to whatever wallet you want. Then you click on confirm, and that's all, and it's going to move to your spot or funding. So let's say you've done that and you have your assets and your funding and your spot. So if you want to go ahead and buy crypto to hold, like I said, if you want to buy an older cryptocurrency, you have to make use of the spot section. So to access the spot section, you need to come to this section here that says trade. You click on trade, and you're going to see this. Now it's going to show you spot, it's going to show you spot, copy, trade, and P2P. Don't worry about the P2P section you're saying there. Just make sure you use the one at the home section. It's much better that way. Then on this P2 on this sports section, if you click on this section, you'll be able to see more currency you can actually trade. So this is the favorite section. So you click on sports. So clicking on sports, you'll be able to see currencies you can actually trade. So I'll just click this, then you see now you're going to have buy or sell. So if you are trying to hold a currency, you need to buy, but if you're trying to sell that currency, you need to sell. So since you want to buy, you click on the buy section, then the next section you have here is the limits. You have limits. So these are different execution mode. We have limits and markets. So limit means you're going to buy when the price gets to a certain level. So if you believe the price of this coin is going to come down to, let's say currently, as you can see, the price of this coin is 0.03. Let's say you feel, oh, the price of this coin is going to come to 0.02, you can actually write the limit there, and you write the limit there in this place. You just put 0.02, then you come here, you put in the amount of the token you're trying to buy. Let's say we're trying to buy 100, so you can put in the amount here, or you can either put in the amount in the USDT. So if you have USDT, you put in the amount of USDT instead on this USDT section, and it's going to give you a equivalent of the token you are going to get. So for me, I usually make use of this USDT section basically. So I'll just put in the USDT amount, and it will give me the equivalent of that coin instantly. So you don't have to stress yourself trying to get the exact coin you need to buy basically. All right, so once you've done that, you've gotten the assets. So that's for limit basically. Let me go ahead and explain markets. So markets means you're going to buy at the current market price, and this is the current market price. The current market price always in the middle, as you can see right here. This is the current market price. So if you're going to buy at the current market price, which means your order is going to get triggered immediately. But with the limit, it might actually take a while. Maybe it might take a day, maybe a few minutes, a few hours, or a few seconds, or a month for your order to get triggered. So it does depend on what you want and what you feel. So in order for you to be able to use limits and know when the right time to buy and all these things, you need to be able to learn how to do your technical analysis to know if this is the right time to buy or not. But I believe as a beginner, you might not really know much about that. So that's why you need to subscribe to my YouTube channel, because on my YouTube channel, I teach contents like this, talking about technical analysis. I also have a crypto trading course. The link will be in my description below, so you can go ahead and place an order if you want to go ahead and learn technical analysis basics. So with that said, let's proceed with the copy trading section. So this copy trading section is going to allow you to copy other traders. So this is copy trade is useful for futures traders that want to make money from the futures market, but they don't know how to go ahead and analyze the markets, when to buy, when to sell, when to do all these things. You just come here and you copy a particular trade. You copy a particular trader's trade, and that's all, and you start making profits based on when the trader is making profits. If the trader actually make loss, you're also going to make loss. So that's just how it works using copy trade. So you can click on any of these traders. You can see so many traders right here. You click on copy. It's going to ask you to accept their terms and conditions. You just need to confirm, and now it's going to come to this section where it says trading pairs. Leave the trading pairs as it is, because you want to trade whatever pair that particular trader is trading. Then you see copy mode, you have uniform and separate. Leave it as uniform. Then you click here, we have elite trader, we have custom, we have position. So many things. So you just leave them like that. Then for USDT, put in the amount of USDT you want to make use of. Minimum is 10 USDT, and you click on copy, and you start copying that particular trader's trade every single time. So let's say you want to go ahead and do futures, you want to go ahead and buy, you want to go ahead and short, and you're good with technical analysis. All you have to do is to come to the futures section. Most of the traders will actually know these things, but I'm just going to explain for you if you're a beginner and you're trying to copy someone else's trade. So you can also join my Telegram channel, by the way, where I go ahead and share crypto signals. All right, so I'm trying to make sure we hit 100 subscribers on the Telegram channel. So if we hit 100 subscribers on the Telegram channel, I'll resume sharing signals on the Telegram community again. So as you can see right here, this is what the feature section looks like. So to go ahead and copy or change the pairs, you click on this section above. Just click on it, and you can see so many sections. You come to features, then you see so many assets you can actually trade. So and if you notice, we have what we call cross, and we have 20x. Now cross means you're going to have two margin. We have the cross and isolated margin. So we have cross and isolated margin. So cross margin is going to use all the money in your account to enter a particular position. Isolated is going to limit your trade to a particular amount you actually want to use for that position. So the 20x leverage you see right here, where are you gonna leverage the markets to make more money and to lose more money. So yeah, that's just it basically. So I'm just trying to explain these things as quickly as possible so you can get a grasp of what it's all about. Now I'm also going to make a detailed video concerning Weex futures trading. So when I'm going to explain most of these features in detail, this is just a beginner's guide trying to put you through on all these things on Weex. So make sure you subscribe to the channel because you're going to get a lot of benefits. I don't know what you're waiting for. Go ahead and smash that red subscribe button. So as you can see, what we have right here, the next one we have is we have the market. We have market just as we did with them when we were trying to trade spot. We had market, we have limit, we have trigger. So it's similar except for the trigger. The trigger is separate. Then after that, you also have your TP and SL. TP/SL means take profits and stop loss. So that's useful. So you have your long and you have your short. So long means if you feel the price is going to go up. Short means if you feel the price is going to go down. That is why the button is indicated with green and red. The green means is buy, the red means sell. But in futures, you're actually not buying that asset. You are only trading when you're only trading the price movements of that particular asset. So that's it. So coming to markets, you're going to see all assets all assets in the market. You can see their price, you can see their change, everything. This is where you can actually get all overview of the market. You can see what's going on. You can also see coins you want to trade. So if you come to the feature section, we also have where you can actually see the charts and details. If you click here, you see the charts. So if you click it, you can see the charts. This is how the charts looks like. So in case you want to get more information about the charts, you want to do analysis on this, you can actually do analysis on it. So yeah, so that's it guys concerning how to go ahead and make use of the Weex exchange platform. And as you can see, I've been able to put it through how to make use of all these things on Weex exchange. So yeah, with that said guys, don't forget to subscribe to the channel. Thanks for watching. Bye for now, and give this video a like. I'll see you guys in the next video. Peace.